Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next one is called Find Angle MBC. It is categorized as medium. Well, it's kind of related to geometry. Let's go for it. Alright, we have a right-angled triangle. This is the median. It is connected from B to the middle of AC hypotenuse, and our task is to find this angle, this theta angle, which is MBC. Alright, first of all, I'm going to import the math module into my program because we need it a lot. Then we should get two inputs from the input stream, AB and BC. So I write down AB is equal to float of input. Then I write down again BC is equal to float of input. Then we should calculate the AC hypotenuse, and if you know Pythagoras law, you can calculate it with, it will be AB to the power of 2 plus BC to the power of 2, and the answer will be math.sqrt of this piece of code. Then we have BM, which in a right angled triangle is equal to half of hypotenuse, so BM is equal to AC divided by 2. The next thing is that we have BM, we have BC, we have MC. So in the BMC triangle we have everything that we need. Our task is very simple now. We only need to calculate this angle. If you know the cosine laws, you can you know that you can write the cosine of this angle. Let's call it COS MBC. You can write it as BM to the power of 2 plus BC to the power of 2 minus MC to the, let's call it BM equal to CM minus CM to the power of 2 divided by 2 multiplied by BM multiplied by BC. There's nothing special about this equation. You just you can find it in as something like cosine laws in geometry of high school mathematics or something like this. Alright, we have cosine of this angle. Then we should reverse our cosine to get the angle. So I write down, for example, MBC is equal to math dot ACOS arc cosine of this value COS MBC, and in the end I print the MBC. Let's run the code to check what have we done so far. It is my output 0.7 blah blah. Alright, it looks fine, but the point is that our output should be in degrees, but I printed them in radians, so I should convert it to something like math.degrees of this. Let's run the code again. Alright, now the main part of our program is correct. Our answer should be something like this. We printed this. We need to modify it a little bit, so I write down first of all MBC is equal to round of MBC, because it should be rounded to the nearest integer number. Another thing is that we need to add this this character to the end of our output, so I copy it and inside of our print I write MBC plus this character, and here I make it str of MBC. Now let's run the code again. It gives us an error because it is telling that our submission contains non-ASCII characters and they do not accept that. So I should find out the UTF or ANSI code for this character. Let's copy it in something like VS Code and let's hover my mouse over it. What does it tell? For example, x equal to this. What is the character code? This. It isn't rewriting. Alright, let's search for it. I search for something like copy ASCII code of this. What is the ASCII code of this character? ASCII code 33? No. HTML code. Let's print X here. Run this code. This is running. Alright. I need to find maybe integer of this. Let's see what does it. It doesn't run this. Alright, let's search for it. How to print this character? Backslash. There should be a way to find this character code for HackerRank. I knew that it had some way. Let's write down, for example, x plus hello. I hover the mouse over x and still it's nothing. I'll have a print. Let's go and ask, for example, ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, verifying that I'm a human. Alright, let's search for example this character code. U00B0. Alright, let's test this. X is equal to /U00B0. Let's run it. Okay, it is working. Let's modify it in our code. I make this something like this. Alright, let's run the code. Alright, it is working this time. Let's submit the code. And all of the test cases are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.